Hi, this is Jacob Anderson, and this is the first of a series of videos that are going to show you how to do a full teardown of the headstock to replace your belts and bearings. It's not going to be as detailed as what I show on my full DVD set that I sell on eBay and on my website, but this is going to be a several part little set of videos. The first one is we're going to take off the motor to get to the internal parts. So first I'm going to remove the belt pan. And by the way, this is a real headstock for a customer, so killing two birds with one stone. The belt pan has two screws holding it on most machines. The earliest greenies had several machine screws. Okay, belt pan's out of the way. On the back I'm going to remove the logo plate. Most headstocks have this, just the earliest greenies don't. I'm going to reach inside and hold the back of the screw, or hold the back of the switch. I'm going to take the switch off. I like to keep the switch attached to the motor so that I can test the motor and the switch all together. On some switches you'll have to use a pair of pliers to grab the nut. Alright, and I'm going to remove this front screw. The motor pan has 5 screws holding it. Now I'm going to remove the final 4. A lot of machines have screws missing and the clips behind them missing. The early greenies didn't use the clips. They were just threaded into the headstock casting. Alright, so now the motor pan is loose. I'm going to take the belt off of the motor sheave. It all comes out. Just like that. I have a lot of dust inside. See, that one's got a lot of dust and other things, so I'm going to set the motor aside and test it later. Okay, so that's all that this video is showing, just how to remove the motor from the headstock to have access to the internal parts of the headstock for further tear down, and of course the motor can be tested when it's separate from the headstock easier. This is my website here. Go there for tons of information on how to get a hold of me, how to send in your headstock for repair, how to buy some of the headstock repair parts, instructional DVDs. You'll also find access to my web store. So anyway, go to my website and that'll answer lots of your questions. Thank you.